हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम डॉक्टर रश्मि शर्मा, एसपीसी जीसीए अजमेर। आज हम डिफॉरेस्टेशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बायोटिक पोटेंशियल ऑफ लैंड लीड्स टू डेजर्टिफिकेशन ड्यू टू ओवरग्रेजिंग, felling of trees to fulfill human greeds, over exploitation, soil erosion, wind erosion, water erosion, which cost more than 16,500 crore every year. Pollution are devastating effects. Deforestation has a major impact on fertility and productivity of cropland. Deforestation है जो उसका major effect है fertility पर, land की fertility पर. This is in two ways. Number one, soil erosion. और उसके कारण क्या होता है? soil erosion के कारण cycle of drought and flood are repeated. Shortage of firewood and productivity. और उसके कारण firewood और productivity का भी shortage होता है. Firewood become scarce. People use crop and waste, cow dung as fuel. जब firewood की shortage हो जाती है तो लोग cow dung को fuel की जगह use करते हैं. Every part of plant get used and nothing goes back to soil nutrient. It affects crop productivity and loss in soil fertility. Urbanization and growing demand of cities destroy forests. Cattle, goat, sheep destroy vegetation. They also pull out the roots of the plant. In Himalayas, due to denudation, deforestation start in Shivalik range parallel to Himalayas. Shivalik sal forests are overexploited for use of industry and railways. Foothills of Shivalik are covered by dense forest, but today facing water scarcity and semi-desert conditions are developing. When forests die, ecological balance break away and terrible consequences are flood and drought. जब हम फॉरेस्ट को खत्म करते हैं तो उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस बहुत खराब होते हैं और वो होते हैं फ्लड और ड्रॉट का होना. ट्रीज इंक्रीज रेनफॉल. जो पेड़ हैं वो बारिश को बढ़ोतरी देते हैं. कंजर्व वाटर. दे आल्सो कंजर्व वाटर. प्लांट्स reduce evaporation and allow water to remain in soil for a long time. Forest vanishing fast. Extensive and unabated deforestation, overgrazing, growing population, growing hunger, wasteland are increasing और इन सब के कारण wasteland बढ़ रहे हैं. Productive lands are decreasing, productive land कम हो रहे हैं. Reduce the regenerative capacity of forest और इसके कारण regenerative capacity जो है forest की वो कम हो रही है. Deforestation and overgrazing cause landslide and land erosion. इसके कारण landslides भी ज्यादा होती हैं. India losing 6,000 million ton topsoil every year. Water erosion in absence of trees. Water भी erode होता है trees के absence में. Loss due to topsoil erosion. 1973 700 crore, 1976 890 crore, 1977 1000 crore and 1978 1092 crore loss was observed. India is poorest as per capita land is concerned, that is 0.10 hectares. World 1 hectare. Canada 14.3 hectares. Australia 7.6 hectares, USA 7.30 hectares. India forest 0.50% of world. Forest of India losing 1.5 million hectares each year. If this continues, in next 20 years we will lose all forest and zero forest condition will be there. During period of 25 years, 1951 to 76, India has lost 4.1 million hectares of forest. Large-scale deforestation done for fodder, fuel, valley, railways, industries and roads, etc. India consumes 180 million ton firewood annually, 15 million ton of forest stripped every year for fuel consumption, Fuel wood consumption increased 87 million tons in 1953, 136 million tons in 1980. Pressure on forest during the period of 20 years, that is 1951 to 71, 24.32 lakh hectares cut for agriculture, 4 lakh hectares for river valleys and 1.25 lakh hectares for industries. 0.56 lakh hectares for roads, 3.89 lakh hectares for miscellaneous, 3.5 million hectares forest lost during this period. 1% land surface turning desert every year. हर साल 1% लैंड सरफेस जो है वो डेजर्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. हिमालयस रेनफॉल इज डिक्लाइनिंग 4% ड्यू टू डिफॉरेस्टेशन. हिमालयस में भी रेनफॉल कम हो रहा है 4 to 5%, वो भी डिफॉरेस्टेशन के कारण. ये सब कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस हैं डिफॉरेस्टेशन के, इसलिए हमें डिफॉरेस्टेशन अवॉइड करना चाहिए. थैंक यू.